This short video is going to show you how to perform a stop cough technique that you may have been shown by your physiotherapist. So when you get a particularly irritable cough that you can't stop, or if you've had a cough for a long time and you feel that you need to settle it back down again, this is a really good simple technique to use. The first stage is when you feel that first cough tickle or tickle in your throat coming on, what you want to do is put 1 or 2 fingers across your lips to stop you taking a big deep breath in. You do a big swallow, hold your breath for between 3 and 5 seconds, and then when you feel ready, after that 3 to 5 seconds, you start taking tiny little small breaths in through your nose, and over a period of a few seconds building those breath sizes back up to normal. So you feel like you're breathing normally and that cough's gone away. If that cough feeling stays there, what you want to do is keep your hand there, swallow again, hold your breath, and then slowly start breathing again. And you can repeat that for as many times as you need to, and hopefully over a period of time it should settle the cough down. Thank you.